ready for the bass. My DJ, yo, get on the case. Sit, rinse down, get down. Who's in the mic with a wicked sound? Wicked sound. Wicked sound. Get hyper.
What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome to another video. Today I have got my steering wheel with me. Let me just move you there. There we go. Now you can see the whole baby. Oh, I think I just cut my leg, guys. Anyway, guys. Have I not got my... Oh, I haven't got some sound on. Anyway, guys. In this video today, we are going to be driving not an old car, guys, but a brand new one I got yesterday, guys. I think I only driven it for like 2 minutes and then I came off. So yeah, it is the Ferrari 458 Italia, which exactly goes with this wheel, guys. 458 Italia. And guys, I've got you on the box because I was thinking, might as well make sure that you can see the TV properly, guys. Oh yeah, whilst I'm leaving this car meet right now, people have been telling me, I think it's about 2 people, on my Assassin's Creed Unity video, they've been saying that my my camera was poor, guys. Basically, they're saying that it was horrendous. And if you're watching that, and if whoever's watching it, whoever said to that, like, put the comment down below. I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. Plus, whoever hasn't commented and watched it, I'm also so sorry about that. That's as good as I can get. Unless if I get a proper recording set, which is over 140 quid, I think it is, guys. I won't be able to get my beautiful Thrustmaster, what all of you guys must be waiting for. So yeah. But guys, I've ordered so much stuff. So, oh my god. Whoa. So guys, we're going to be taking this baby down to the countryside, which we are at the moment. So we don't want to take him down the countryside if we're already down the countryside. Look at this. Look at him. I'm not going to call it a her. This is definitely a him, not a her. And I'll put it in gold, I think it is. Yeah, it must be like silvery gold, bronze. It's like some of them mixed all together. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. So I'm guessing you guys are happy for me to be back on this. Even though I think it was like 3 days ago. I was last on my Thrustmaster. But normally, guys, I'm always on this Thrustmaster, aren't I, guys? So yeah, you must be like happy. Oh yeah, and I think this is pretty cool, guys. I don't know about you, but this morning I was on Far Cry 4 for like at least an hour and a half, killing animals, guys. That's all I was doing, killing animals and grabbing some loot bags and stuff. You know, grabbing some perks and stuff. Oh, is this the new 458? Yeah. There's a guy around here with the brand new 458. I think it's called Specially, I don't know, guys. But he's got such a nice car, so yeah. So yeah, leave a comment down below if you think that's pretty sad of me being on it for about an hour and a half, just getting loot bags and stuff, ammo bags, heavy ammo bags. Just leave a comment down below. Look at that Lambo right there. Look at that. I think I'll be taking this car around here. God, I didn't realise it was off-road, guys. God damn it, bro. Look at that interior. Exactly the same. I prefer to sit out here, though. Look at that. This is such a beautiful car, guys. Whoa, it's not very good for skidding, though. Or I should say drifting. It's good for skidding. Maybe I need to put a tune on it. I haven't done anything to this, guys, except for put a colour on it. So, and plus it's really fast. So, instead of taking it down the countryside, we're going to drive it on the countryside because we're already on it, guys. So I'm thinking we might as well. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, so guys, we might as well just drive around the countryside being so awesome. You know what? Screw it, guys. We're going in this place over here. If I crash, which I just did, so now we need to rewind that. Okay, so what we're going to do. Okay, it's over here, guys. Can you see it alright? Oh, I'm hoping that you can. Can I go around here? Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Can I get in there? Boom! Yeah. I'm in there, guys. Look at that speed. I don't know if you can see, but oh my god, dude. Oh, you can probably see the camera now because it's getting dark. Yeah, yeah. And sorry guys, I'm not online, fortunately. Unfortunately. Yeah. I kind of only have 2 days left, guys, online. Basically, that means like to put a code in and get it. And I'm gonna wait for that till I get my new Thrustmaster, because it'll be pretty cool online, won't it, guys? Instead of paying, get 2 days, and I will probably, yeah, be on it a lot. So, God damn it, brother. Oh god damn it! My finger slipped. Like my hand slipped, sorry guys. Look at that right there, guys. Some beast. This is some nice. Well, I want to get out of this now. Look at that, oh my god, there's people following that car. So this 458 Italia, oh my god, dude, so nice. So Slap Train's made a video of the new one, so check him out. Oh my god. Look at that. No, stop sliding now. Look at that GTR right there, just chilling. Let's go! Whoa, we do not want that. Just get around him, kind of. Try to get around him. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, I can't believe my car survived that one. Let's get around there. There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry guys, I'm just checking the time. I'm checking if you guys are alright, man. God damn it. Oh my god. Right guys. Let's see where I am right now. Okay. I'm going to turn around when it's safe to do so. Of course I am. Of course I am going to turn around if it's safe to do so. If it's not safe to do so, then why would I not turn around? Like, why would I turn around? That's just really say. Let's park up here. So. No wheel spins. No. God damn it, man. No wheel spins. Look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, is that the new one? No, it's just not even the flipping Ferrari what I was looking for. it, bro. There we go, got my lights on. Being a beast. Got my lights on. Got my lights on.
In 400 meters, turn left.
Screw it.
Turn left.
Whoa, guys. Okay, guys, so I want to say thank you ever so much for watching this beautiful video. Yeah. Oh, we're at the car meet. Look at these beautiful cars right here. We've got an Audi, we've got a Huracan, we've got a McLaren, sorry, not P1, F1. We've got a Maserati, a BMW, a Lancer, a Nissan, another BMW, Toyota, Mercedes-Benz, and a Honda. Oh my God, is that Tesla? Oh my God, dude, it's my man. Okay, anyway, guys, also thank you ever so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe, guys, because I would love some more YouTubers to subscribe for me. Leave a comment down below. Like this video. Peace. And guys, obviously I have to do this every video. Come!